Hey guys, it's time to unbox the Samsung Galaxy J4 2018 and it is officially launched in Pakistan. I am very late for this unboxing and it is a new cheapest phone from Samsung. It is costing around $180, 18,000 PKR. So let's quickly unbox it and you can see here is a big cover on the front. Let's quickly unbox it and you can see it is a actual box. It is some mini box thing and you can see it is actual box Samsung Galaxy J4 branding on the front and some specification on the back. I can't return it because the warranty card is up on the front. So let's quickly peel the plastic off. And you can see it is a 1-year warranty card from Samsung. 2 seals on the front. To cut the seal, I already. Let's open this box and you can see here is the box. Show you some specification on the back and you can see 4G LTE 1.4 GHz quad core processor. It is a Exynos 7570 processor, 5.5 inch 720p Super AMOLED display, 13 megapixel back and 5 megapixel on the front, and 16 GB internal storage and 2 GB RAM, and front LED flash is also here. It is a 16 GB internal storage and you can see here is the Samsung Galaxy J4 2018. Let's out this phone from this box and you can see it is a 5.5 inch display. I think yes, it is a 5.5 inch display. Let's put the side here and look inside the box what this phone has to offer. The accessories, first we have the start guide and you can see there is a accessories, and the charger is having a not support a fast charging. It is a 1 ampere charger and micro USB cable and normal headphones from Samsung, and you can see like this shape. And another that it is a removable back and battery size is having a 1000 mAh battery, and you can see. And let's put all the stuff in. Here is the phone and let's out this phone from this wrapper thing. And you can see there we have the Samsung Galaxy J4, and let's remove the back and insert the battery. And you can see it is a battery, 3000 mAh battery. You can use 2 SIM cards and with 1 micro SD card at the same time, so don't worry. Let's insert the battery and done, almost done. Let's on this phone and you can see Samsung Galaxy J4, and let's show you the physical overview. And you can see 13 megapixel back camera with f1.9 aperture, and with speaker is on the right with LED flash, some Samsung branding on the back, some headphone jack, microphone and micro USB 2.0 port, and volume up and volume down rocker on the left. Front is having a LED flash with 5 megapixel camera, and you can see it is also on. Hi there, let's start. And you can see this phone is not giving you a fingerprint scanner on the front, and you can see pin, password and pattern is here. Not now, skip anyway. And we are done with the setup, and you can see it is the first boot of the Samsung Galaxy J4, and you can see it is a 5.5 inch display, Super AMOLED display. It is the best display in the market right now. It is very good color reproduction. Some Samsung application is also inside it, and Samsung Health is not here, I can notice. Some Google application, Microsoft as well, and overall I have to say it is a very big phone with a old aspect ratio. And you can see this phone is very good in outdoor condition, but it is not support a, I think this one is support a, this one is not support a auto brightness feature. And you can see, and overall I have to say the phone shape is very beautiful in my opinion, and you can see vertical camera with LED flash and speaker on the right, and it is a Samsung Experience UI. Let's see the what is Android version. We have software information, and you can see Android 8.0 right out the box, Samsung Experience version 9.0 UI, and you can see swipe up to go to your app door, and you can actually disable in the settings as well, and you can see it is a full, you can actually hide the application. It is a quick open notification panel. If you can swipe down, the notification panel is here. Let's see the some features, and this phone is also giving you a secure folder, blue light filter, and always on display is not here. I know why Samsung is not giving you a always on display in a mid-range phone. Some mid-range phone comes with a always on display. Let's go to the section again, and let's go to the display, and you can see some features like this. And let's go to the storage, and this phone is giving you a 16 GB out of 10.2 GB is available, and 2 GB RAM, 3000 mAh battery. And go to the advanced feature. This phone is also giving you a dual messenger feature. Use two separate account for the same application. That pretty nice. And overall I have to say this phone is a good looking phone, and very lightweight. I have to say comes with a 3000 mAh battery, but it is very light. Let's see the camera, and again 13 megapixel back camera, f1.9 aperture, and you can see camera UI is very similar to the new phones like the S9. Over the Note 8 you can swipe to change the mode as well, and this one is also record up to 1080p, and you can see 1080p back and for front as well. Let's see the some camera samples. And you can see this phone is not support a selfie focus feature, and that very bad for this phone. I have to say it is a very good phone for these days. 16 GB internal storage, 2 GB RAM, but another companies is giving you a 4 GB RAM in this price range. In my opinion, the battery life of this phone is giving you about 1 day battery life without any problem, and this phone is not support a fast charging right out the box. That very bad thing for this phone. And one thing I don't like this phone is a old aspect ratio, and J6 comes with a infinity display, and my Oppo A3s also comes with a infinity display right out the box. And guys, you can notice it, and the navigation keys is very similar to the J7 Prime 2 2018 new navigation keys with the software. Thank you so much for watching this unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy J4 2018, and let me know in the comment section below you want to see some more videos about the J4, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.